Hello everyone. Today let us study more about polynomials. In the last class we studied about the zero of the linear polynomial, zeros of the quadratic polynomial and zeros of the cubic polynomial. Zero of the linear polynomial x is equal to minus b by a. We studied the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of x square and x. What is that? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Similarly, for the cubic polynomial, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. Alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d by a. That's what we studied. We verified the answers also. Today, let us study about the division. We know division algorithm. What is a division algorithm? According to division algorithm, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Or we say f of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. In order to divide any polynomial by other polynomial, first thing what you have to remember is, whatever the polynomial you have given, you have to arrange in the descending order of the powers. That is the first step you have to do. Descending order of powers. Suppose x square plus x cube plus x to the power of 4 plus 7x if they give plus 5. First you have to put x to the power of 4 because you have to go in the descending order of the powers. X to the power of 4, after 4, x cube, after cube, x square, then x, then constant. Like that you have to arrange either dividend or divisor. Then the division you will be correctly done. Suppose any one of the term is not present in the dividend, then what you have to do? You have to put 0 into that term. Suppose if I give you x to the power of 4 plus x plus constant 5. Then what you have to write down? X to the power of 4 plus after 4 3 has to come. 3 is not there. So you write down 0 into x cube plus again x square is not there. 0 into x square plus 5. Like this you have to arrange in the descending order of the powers. And if any powers are missing, you have to put 0 into that power and that number. Is that clear? That is the first point you have to remember while dividing the polynomial. In the divisor also, it is better to write down in the descending order of powers. Then division will be very easy. Those 2 points you have to remember very well. First, you have to write down in the descending order of the powers. Second one, if anything is missing, you have to put 0 into something. Now, let us try to solve some of the problems. First problem. This is dividend. This is divisor. We have to get quotient as well as remainder. They have given x square, x and constant. Is it in order? Yes. Is this in order? Yes. So, you have to write down 2x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. Now, what you have to do is, very important thing you have to do is, you have to see the first term of this and first term of this. 2x square divided by x. It is enough if you see only that much. What is 2x square divided by x? If you don't understand, go right down in the side. 2x square divided by x is equal to 2 into x square means x into x divided by x. 1x get cancelled. So what is remain? 2x. That 2x you write down here. 2x into x, 2x square plus 2 2s are 4x. Each and every term of here, this one you have to multiply by the quotient here. So after that you have to subtract. Have to try to eliminate each and one term every time. So minus 2x square minus 2x square 0. You need not strike off also. You can put 0. 3x minus 4x minus x plus 1. Now you have to see the power. Here also the power is 1. Here also the power is 1. So then you can divide. If the power here is more and here it is, if it is less and here it is more, then you cannot. Now x and x equal power. You can divide again. So what you have to do? First term of this and first term of this. X divided by x is equal to 1. So minus x divided by x is equal to minus 1. So now you multiply minus 1 into x minus x. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Now again you have to subtract, change the sign. Minus becomes plus. Minus becomes plus. So minus x plus x 0, plus 1 plus 2 3. So 3 is the remainder. In order to check whether we have done correctly this division, what is the method to check? We have to see this formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We'll verify what is divisor here. Divisor is x plus 2. What is the quotient? 2x minus 1. Plus what is the remainder? 3. When we do this, you have to get f of x, 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Shall we verify? How to do? 2x x plus 2 into 2x minus 1 plus 3. G of x into q of x plus r of x is equal to. So we'll take very simple way, x into 2x minus 1 plus 2 into 2x minus 1 plus 3. So 2x square minus x plus 4x minus 2 plus 3. So you'll get 2x square, 4x minus x plus 3x, 3 minus 2, 1. Is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to f of x? Yes, it is f of x. So your division is very much correct. That is how you have to verify. This is the method and this is the verification. I hope you have understood. So what is dividend is equal to? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is this called? This is called division algorithm. Now, let me do the second one. Our next problem is divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by x square plus 2x plus 1. So, as far as they have given like this, you have to understand. What is this? This is called p of x. What is this? G of x. So, you have to find out q of x and r of x. And if you want, you can verify by the formula p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Right? So, dividend, divisor, and you have to find out quotient and remainder. Right? So, what is the first step? You have to see whether the powers are in order, descending order of powers, cube, square, 1 and constant. X square plus 2x plus 1. The powers of x, they have to be in the descending order very uniformly. 3, 2, 1 constant. So is it in order? Yes. So 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5, you have to divide by x square plus 2x plus 1. What did I tell you? You have to compare the first term of this and first term of this. What is the first term of this? 3x cube. What is this? X square. In the side you do 3x cube divided by x square. What is x cube? X multiplied 3 times. What is x square? X multiplied 2 times. So x square ones are, here x remains. So what is the answer here? 3x. Now your aim is to cancel the first term every time. So you have to multiply this one with this. 3x plus x square, 3x cube plus 3x into 2x, 6x square, 3 2s are 6x square plus 3x. What is your first step in order to cancel the first term? You have to subtract. So when you subtract, you have to subtract all. Negative, negative, negative. So 3x cube minus 3x cube, either you can put like this or you can leave it 0. X square minus 6x square minus 5x square plus 2x minus 3x minus 1x plus 5. Now what is the next step? You see the first term of this and first term of that. What is that? Here minus 5x square is there, here x square is there. So in the side you do minus 5x square divided by x square. X square get cancelled. What is the answer? Minus 5. That you have to multiply. So minus 5x square minus 5x square minus into plus minus 10x minus into plus minus 5. Now what is your next step? Again you have to try to cancel the first term. In order to cancel the first term, you have to subtract and you have to change the sign. Minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. Right? So 0, minus x plus 10x, 9x, plus 5 plus 5 plus 10. Now what is the next step? Here 9x is there, here x square is there. Is this power less than this? Yes. If the power of this is less than the first term of this, then it is a remainder. If it is equal to 2 or more than 2, then you have to divide. So this is the remainder. So this is P of x, dividend, this is divisor, this is quotient, this is remainder. You can verify that using the formula dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is that called? It is called division algorithm. According to division algorithm, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Shall we verify? So, let us do x square plus 2x plus 1 into 3x minus 5 plus 9x plus 10. Let us see. So, 3x into x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 5 into x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 9x plus 10. What do we have to get? We have to get this 3x cube. 3x into 3x square 3x cube plus 6x square plus 3x minus 5x square minus 10x minus 5 plus 9x plus 10. Now let us see. 3x cube plus 6x square minus 5x square. How much it is? Plus 1x square plus 3x minus 10x plus 3x plus 9x plus 12x minus 10x. So plus 2x minus 5 plus 10. 10 minus 5 is plus 5. Is it correct? 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. So our division is perfect. Did you all understand? So you have to divide like this by long division method, and then if they are asked to verify, you have to verify. Now let us go to the next question. Our next question is divide 3x cube minus x square, no, 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x cube. I repeat, divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square. So this is dividend, this is divisor. Is the order of powers of x, are they in order? No. So we'll write down in order. What is the first one? Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. How do you write down this? Minus x square plus x minus 1. Suppose you don't want minus in the beginning, you multiply by minus to everything. So the sign changes to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 5. Here x square minus x plus 1. Then your division will be easier. So what is your first step? You wrote in order cube, square, x and constant. Now I didn't want minus sign in the beginning, so I change that sign. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus whenever I multiply by minus 1. So x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 5 divided by x square minus x plus 1. Now very comfortably I can do the division. So x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 5 divided by x square minus x plus 1. Again, you see the first term of this, first term of this. So x cube by x square, by this time you should be able to say, what is the answer? X. X into x square, x cube minus x square plus 1x. So change the sign, minus, plus, minus. X cube minus x cube 0. Minus 3x square plus x square is minus 3x square. Plus 3x minus 1x is plus 2x minus 5. Now you see the first term of this and first term of this. Here minus 2x square is there, here x square is there. The powers are same. That means we can still divide. So minus 2x square divided by x square. What is remaining? Minus 2. So minus 2. So minus 2 into x square minus 2x square plus 2x minus 2. Change the sign. Plus, minus, plus. Minus 2x square plus 2x square 0. Plus 2x minus 2x 0. Minus 5 plus 2 minus 3. Now in order to verify, I have to verify g of x into q of x plus r of x. So x square minus x plus 1 into x minus 2 minus 3 plus of minus 3. Let us see x into x square minus x plus 1 minus 2 into x square minus x plus 1 minus 3. What is the answer you get? X cube minus x square plus x minus 2x square plus 2x minus 2 minus 3. What is the answer you get? X cube, right? Minus x square minus 2x square minus 3x square plus x plus 2x plus 3x minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Is it the answer we got? X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 5. In order to get the required form, if you want, you can multiply by minus 1. It is not needed because you did like this, right? So this is the method you have to do the division by long division method. Right? I will work out one more problem. After that, you see your exercise. Come on. Let me solve one last problem. Find all the zeros of 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 when two of its zeros are square root of 2 and minus square root of 2. As soon as I look at that equation, as soon as I look at this polynomial, it is a biquadratic polynomial having 4 zeros. But they have given 2 zeros. Your work is to find out another 2 zeros. Now, normally what do we do? If at all 2 zeros, x plus square root of 2 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to minus square root of 2, isn't it? So, like that we'll do x plus square root of 2 and x minus square root of 2. These are the 2 zeros. We'll multiply. What do you get? It is in the form a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So, x square minus square root of 2 the whole square is x square minus 2. My next step is to divide this one with this. 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. So, x minus 2 over x minus 2. So, now 2x to the power of 4 divided by x. What do you get? 2x to the power of x square minus 2. X plus square root of 2, x minus square root of 2. So, x square minus 2. So, 2x to the power of 4 divided by x square. What is answer? 2x square. So, my answer is here 2x square. 2x square into x square. 2x to the power of 4 minus 4x square. Where I have to write down? Here under 3x cube I cannot write down. Minus 4x square. So, next is minus. This is 3x cube. There is no x cube. So, write down as it is. Minus 3x cube. Minus 3x square. Here you have to change the sign. Plus. So, minus 3x square plus 4x square is plus x square plus 6x minus 2. Now, minus 3x cube divided x square is equal to minus 3x. Right? Minus 3x into x square minus 3x cube minus into minus plus 6x. Where I have to write down? Plus 6x. Now, subtract plus minus. So, what is remaining? X square minus 2. Look at this. What is there? X square minus 2. So, plus 1. So, x square minus 2. Change the sign minus plus. The answer will be 0. So, what is the quadratic polynomial? I've got 2x square minus 3x plus 1. If you factorize this, I'll get other 2 zeros. What are the factors of 2x square minus 3x plus 1? Let us see. The product has to be plus 2. The sum has to be minus 3. So, 2x square minus 2x minus 1x plus 1. The product has to be plus 2. The sum has to be minus 3. Am I right? 2x is common, x minus 1, minus 1 is common, x minus 1. So, x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. So, factorizing, again you put x minus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1. 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. So what are the four zeros? Square root of 2 minus square root of 2, 1 and half are the four zeros of this polynomial 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. This is a method to find all the four zeros. What do you have to do? First, you have to put, if it is square root of 2 and minus square root of 2, x plus square root of 2 and x minus square root of 2, use the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So, x plus square root of 2 into x minus square root of 2 is equal to x square minus square root of 2, the whole square is equal to x square minus 2. You divide by x square minus 2, you get the quadratic polynomial, factorize that and put the factors as 0, then you will get the other two factors, 1 and half we have got here. So, thank you everyone. If you like my video, please subscribe it, share it with others. Thank you very much.